Are you struggling to keep your QuickBooks bills accurate? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit a supplier bill in QuickBooks, step by step, so your financial records stay up to date. First, log into your QuickBooks account. If you're using QuickBooks online, select that option for a smooth, user-friendly experience. Enter your email and password, then click Continue to securely access your account. Once you're in, head over to the Expenses tab. This is where all your business expenses are neatly organized. From here, click on Bills to see all supplier bills currently recorded. Find the bill you want to edit. On the right side, there's a small arrow. Click it to open a menu and select Edit Bill. Here, you can adjust any details you need, update amounts, correct dates, or change supplier information. Take your time to double check every detail, because accurate data keeps your books reliable and avoids problems down the road. Once everything looks correct, hit Save and close. Your changes are now securely updated in QuickBooks. And just like that, you've successfully edited a supplier bill. Keeping your records accurate is essential for smooth business operations. And now you know exactly how to do it in QuickBooks. Stay on top of your finances and your accounting will always be in order.